What if I told you that every second billions of dollars are being made and lost in a system most people barely understand? The stock market. Behind the flashing numbers and green and red charts lies a high-stakes battlefield where investors, institutions, and algorithms fight for profit. It all begins with companies listing their shares on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq, offering pieces of ownership to the public in exchange for capital. When you buy a stock, you're not just buying a ticker symbol, you're buying a small piece of a business, betting that its future will be brighter than its present. But here's where things get interesting. Stock prices don't just move based on company performance, they move on perception, emotion, and expectation. If investors believe a company will grow, the price rises, even before profits appear. And if fear spreads, prices can crash in minutes. This is where money is made and lost. Traders use strategies like day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing to try to stay ahead, analyzing charts, earnings reports, and global news. Meanwhile, massive hedge funds and institutions deploy advanced algorithms that execute trades in milliseconds, exploiting tiny price differences at a scale no human can match. But the market isn't fair. It's influenced by interest rates, inflation, political events, and even social media hype. Think about how a single tweet or news headline can wipe out billions in market value. And then there are bubbles, periods where prices skyrocket beyond reality, like the dot-com bubble or the housing crash, followed by devastating crashes that destroy wealth overnight. Yet despite the risks, the stock market remains one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history. Legendary investors like Warren Buffett have built fortunes by mastering patience and discipline, proving that long-term thinking often beats short-term speculation. But for every winner, there are countless losers. People who panic sell, chase hype, or invest without understanding the risks. The truth is, the stock market is not just about numbers, it's about psychology. Fear and greed drive decisions more than logic ever will. And if you want to win, you must learn to control both. So whether you're an investor, a trader, or just curious, remember this. The stock market is a game where knowledge is power, discipline is survival, and timing can mean the difference between fortune and failure. Because inside the stock market, money is never just made. It's constantly being transferred from the impatient to the patient.